In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change data source in Power BI. Whether you've moved a file to a new folder, switched to a different server, or received an updated database, this process lets you point your report to the new location without rebuilding everything. Start by opening Power BI Desktop. Once your report is loaded, head to the Home tab along the top. This is the hub for most modeling and data tasks. Look for Transform Data, and instead of clicking it directly, open the small drop-down beneath it. From that menu, choose Data Source Settings. This window lists every connection your report is using, such as Excel files, CSVs, folders, or databases. Select the data source you want to update from the list. If your model uses multiple queries from the same source, you'll see it once for the shared connection. With the source highlighted, click the Change Source button at the bottom. This opens a dialog tailored to the type of connection you're changing. For files, you'll see a file path field. Click Browse and point to the new file location. For databases, you'll be able to enter the new server name and database. Keep the structure the same if possible. Matching table names and columns will help the model refresh smoothly. After you confirm the new path or connection details, you can close the settings window. At the top of your report, a yellow notification bar will appear, prompting you to apply pending changes. Click Apply Changes. Power BI will reconnect, validate your queries, and refresh the visuals. If you're prompted for credentials or privacy levels, provide the appropriate access so the refresh can complete. This can happen when the new source is on a different server or location than before. A few tips to keep things smooth. If you see errors after applying changes, open Transform Data to check your steps in the Power Query editor. Errors often mean the schema changed. Maybe a column was renamed, removed, or data types differ. So a quick adjustment there will usually fix it. If multiple queries rely on the same file or database, updating the connection here updates them all in one go. For files that move frequently, consider using consistent folder paths or parameters in future projects to make updates even quicker. And if you plan to publish this report to the Power BI service, remember that changes to on-premises sources may require updating your gateway and refresh settings there. That's it. You've successfully changed a data source and applied the update.